Okay, so our first video that we're going to do has to deal with adding and subtracting matrices. So to begin this, when we're looking at adding and subtracting matrices, we need to look at our comparison of the matrices that we are given. So as you can see, matrix A is read 9, 4, negative 7, 1, 3, negative 2. Matrix B is read 1, 0, negative 3, negative 5, 6, 0. And then matrix C is read 0, negative 3, 2, 2, negative 5, 6. So before we go to the actual addition or subtraction portion, the first thing we need to do is we need to indicate the dimensions of each matrix. So the way we go by that is we label, we're going to label them by row and then column. So matrix A is 3 by 2. Matrix B is 2 by 3. And then matrix C is 3 by 2. Okay, and we'll see that this is important in just a second, because when we're adding or subtracting matrices, you have to make sure that it's possible by checking to see if your matrices that you're adding together or subtracting have the same dimensions. So, for example, our first problem right here, where we're adding matrix A and matrix B, we're going to say that this isn't possible. We cannot add these two matrices together because the dimensions of A and B are not the same. So we'll say we cannot add. Okay, and we can't add because the dimensions aren't the same. However, for the second problem we have here, where we're adding matrix A and matrix C, this is possible because our dimensions are the same. Matrix A is 3 by 2 and matrix C is 3 by 2. So the first thing we're going to do when we find out that our dimensions of the matrices that we're adding or subtracting are the same is we want to just rewrite the matrix. So we're going to rewrite matrix A, which is 9, 4, negative 7, 1, and 3, negative 2. And then we'll add that to matrix C, which is 0, negative 3, 2, 2, negative 5, 6. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to add the corresponding values within each matrix. So here's what that would look like. We'll add 9 plus 0. Okay. Then we'll add 4 plus a negative 3. We'll add negative 7 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3 plus a negative 2. And negative 2 plus 6. And for the time being, go ahead and write out this step. I know it's easy to just add or subtract in your head, but go ahead and write this step out. And then all we have to do is simplify our answer within this matrix. So that will equal 9, 1, negative 5, 3, negative 2, and 4. And if you'll notice, the dimensions of our answer right here also happens to be 3 by 2. So that's how you add two matrices together.